If you want to deliver better customer support and manage tickets without stress, Zoho Desk is a powerful tool to start with. In this beginner tutorial, I will show you what Zoho Desk is, how it works, and step by step how you can set it up with the support customer very effectively. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Zoho Desk to organize tickets, speed up response, and improve customer satisfaction. So what is Zoho Desk? It is a cloud-based help desk software that helps businesses handle customer queries across emails, chats, phone, social media, all in one place instead of juggling multiple inboxes. Zoho Desk centralizes everything into a single dashboard. When you first log in, you will land up in Zoho Desk dashboard. Here you will see tickets, responses, times, pending issues, and agent performance. This gives you a clear overview of your support operation at a glance. So let's start with the ticket management. Here you can see this option of ticket management. Anytime a customer send an email or a message, Zoho Desk automatically turn it into a ticket. Each ticket include the customer detail, conversation history, and priority status. You can assign tickets to agent, set due dates, and track progress until the issue is resolved. Now, one of the Zoho Desk strength is automation. Now, what is basically automation? Which you can find it here in the HQ or team feeds or agent queue, right? So you can create rules that assign tickets automatically based on keywords, departments, or customer types. For example, billing queries can go straight to the finance team, while technical issues go to the support engineer. This ensures tickets are handled by the right person from the start, and there's no loss of customers' time. Next is knowledge base. Zohodesk lets you create a help center with FAQs, articles, and guides. So you can just go and click on start writing. Customer can search for answer themselves, which reduce the number of tickets you receive. Plus, agent can link knowledge-based articles directly when replying to the tickets, saving time on repetitive questions. Communication is also streamlined. Agents can reply to tickets through email, through chats, or through phone integrations, all inside Zoho Desk. Every reply is tracked, so you always have a full history of interactions with each customer. Now, collaboration is another key feature. Agent can add private comment, right? That is a great thing. Tag teammates or escalate issue when needed. This makes it easy to work together on complex customer problems without confusing the customer with extra messages. Zoho Desk also include reporting and analytics. You can generate reports on ticket volume, response time, resolution time, and customer satisfaction ratings. These insights help you identify bottleneck and improve your support strategy. Right? Another useful tool is customer portal. So customers can log in, check ticket status, and even raise new questions request themselves. This add transparency and help build trust. Mobile support is covered too. With the Zoho Desk mobile app, agents can respond to tickets and manage conversation on the go, ensuring customers are not left waiting. Here's an example how it works. So for example, let's take here a customer email your company about a product issue. Zoho Desk create a ticket automatically. It will create here, right? And it automatically to the assigned to the technical team, and the agent replies with a troubleshooting guide. If the customer still need help, the agent escalate to the senior engineer. Once resolved, the customer get notified here in the customer section, right? And the system logs the resolution time for reporting. So that's Zoho Desk in a nutshell. If the tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more software guides. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.